Good morning, y'all. Just jumped out of the shower. Did not shower with the hat. Check out where I stayed last night. So we got the shower here. Nice little homey bathroom in here. I've been working on clients, so I got my computer out. Gypsy. Let's take a look outside. Boom. Country living, y'all. Front porch living. There's a pretty cool story about this place. So let me sit in front of this Gypsy sign and tell you. So my cousins, Amy and Jolie, they are the Junk Gypsies. They've probably got a book of theirs right here somewhere. Anyways, they do like the antique stuff. They're here in Texas, Round Top, Texas. They do like all the refurbishing, you know, the remodeling. They had like their own TV show for a while, but they're super, super cool people. Love my cousins, and they've got this inn that just opened up, the Wanderer Inn, and that's where I'm staying right now here in Texas because it's pretty close to where those shirts were being made. So loving the atmosphere here. Small world. Ali Miller stayed here last night as well, so we were just up there. I had a glass of wine with her and her husband. We just sat there and talked. Just great atmosphere. Loving it. There they are. That's their book. The Junk Gypsies. Check this out, y'all. Just super pretty. Ran into some strangers over here.
Friend's got a camera.
Who are these strangers?
Hey! Eating bricks.
Eating bricks.
Yep.
Uh-oh. Alright, y'all, I'm going to head over to Amy and Jolie's, my cousins, right now. They're cooking up breakfast. I'm going to have a cup of coffee with them and just chillax for a bit. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to show you something that's not keto friendly. They're making some homegrown beer over here, but they're not keto, so it's okay. They'll be able to drink it.
Heaters to keep it at the right temperature.
So and that's all in. It's all in there right now. Everything
All
y'all made
the
last night.
final products in there, fermenting.
Building up pressure.
It's actually been in there. Liquor tank up at the top.
That you put some up there.
Yep, up top. And one down here.
Oh, we do sometimes.
Yeah, right over the sides of hot liquor. Then you got a boiled tank. I don't think so.
You're moving that pretty easy with it being as full of.
I tell you what, it's pretty amazing how strong I can be with an empty pot.
Go to you a little bit. You're hooked up here.
Now you're sitting on there.
Where's the other one that we? Oh, that one there.
And then it goes on the very top.
God, you were right all along.
All right.
So it starts here. It
Starts
pumps.
here.
Starts there.
Comes to here.
Goes there.
Finishes
There. Then the
Well,
fermenter
finishes.
in the corner. I like it. Alright, y'all, so since we're out in the middle of nowhere here, had to drive 35 minutes to the nearest gym, but I'm here at the nearest gym. It's Brenham Fitness Center. About to crush some weights. I'm doing hypertrophy legs and shoulders today, so let's kill it. Alright, y'all, so we're at the Brenham Fitness Center. I'm doing some treadmill right now, warming up. I used to work out here way back in the day when I was doing some work for my cousins for internship in college. So it's kind of cool to be back here. Gym hadn't changed at all since when I was here years ago. So, time to dig deep. Alright, y'all. Just finished the workout. We gotta talk about potassium. Give me a minute to catch my breath and we'll have a little conversation. Alright, y'all. So, potassium. Been on the road since since Friday. Been on the road since Friday. Have not taken my potassium supplement at all. I just haven't had a chance. I haven't really eaten any avocados. It's just been taking in salt, but no potassium. And I didn't really feel anything of it. Last night I got this major calf cramp, like Charlie horse cramp in my calf, which I haven't had in years. Didn't think anything of it. Like, well, that's interesting. Haven't had that in a while. Today, doing legs. Whew, I did hypertrophy legs, so high reps on everything. like 15 to 20 reps, lighter weight, and I was hurting so freaking bad. Like my lactic acid buildup in my legs, my fatigue. Like, I mean, I was literally finishing the workout with like sissy squats, pistol squats, and I literally was starting to fall out of the rack. I could not even stand. I tried to pick up a bench and put it back in place, and I started to like just collapse. Had to catch myself. Like, take your potassium. It's important. All right, y'all. So I'm getting some gasoline, some petroleum distillates. Headed back to my cousin's house. I think we're gonna grill some steaks tonight. So there's only one little grocery store here in the town of Round Top rather, and it's like this little mercantile store, just super small. So I'm gonna see if they have any avocados for potassium and steaks for dinner. So here we go. Alright, y'all, I stocked up. I got 2 avocados, I got a pound of ribeye, and I got a 8-ounce stick of pork head cheese. Ingredients on this thing are pork, pork rinds, pork hearts, salt, vinegar, black pepper, granulated garlic, stuffed in beef casing. So, does not have the macros in there, no idea what that is, but give me some good old beef heart in, so we'll see if it's any tasty.
Come on.
Come on, Hazel.
Gosh.
Alright, so we're gonna go check out Amy's house. She's in the building process here. It's gonna be good, I'm excited. Here we go. What are y'all eating back there?
Candy.
Candy? What kind of candy?
Sweet tart rope.
Sweet tart rope.
Sweet tart rope.
I'm sure it's keto.
Yeah?
It's keto friendly.
That's keto friendly.
Keto sweet tarts.
What are these cousins doing?
It's like a church
You won't
style
see her
farm.
gonna let it get old.
We're probably gonna let it age and then we're gonna power wash it. So that's all cedar. And then this is just sample wood on the front.
Woo, look at this. I like it. I like that.
Gorgeous view of the sunset from here in about an hour.
I love the covered porch. Like, you gotta have a covered porch.
I know.
This is gonna be
This'll
a fireplace
That'll
as
be a
well.
fireplace right there. This is some of my, I'm gonna use some of these columns. I have some of these I'm gonna use on the front of the house.
Very cool. Alright, so we have a bathtub already in use. Cash, you getting all scrubbed up clean in here?
I guess I am. We'll do some sort of ironwork up here.
I'm digging it though, I like it.
Do you like it?
Dude. What are y'all doing?
Short fight? Or PVC fight?
Alright, so Cash and Indy have these heifers that they show at the fair and whatnot. They both won, y'all both won, right?
Yeah.
Both won first place. So we're gonna go take a look at their prize heifers real quick here. Look at these beautiful, beautiful critters. Oh. What's happening? Got some goats over there and some more cows. Pretty cool, pretty cool. What you about to do, Indy? Scoop some poop?
Yep.
Gotta do it. Pretty cool, y'all. Someday, Crystal and I will have us a little farm, take care of our critters. Not yet, but someday soon. Perfect.
I think what else? You would eat that?
Yeah. Got some steak action going on here.
You got capturing on this,
Turn up the
Roberto?
volume.
Yeah, we're just hanging out, you know, watching some Keto Savage YouTube. Alright, y'all, so I did not finish up yesterday's vlog. This is actually the morning of the next day. I'm about to hit the road and head back to Arkansas, back to the Keto Savage compound, and back to my normal day today. So I'm going to spend some time with my cousins, have a cup of coffee with them, hit the road, but check out this beautiful Texas sunrise to end the vlog. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, y'all. Have a good one.